Good evening and a warm welcome to one and all to Nitta Gelatin's Golden Jubilee celebration. 50 years in business is a great achievement, and I thank you all for having accepted our invitation and graced the occasion. At this historic moment, we have three important events which are investments for our future. We have the commissioning of our 1100 ton collagen peptide plant, the commencement of our gelatin expansion project, and the commencement of our new corporate office project. I am privileged to be heading Nitta Gelatin India Limited at this growth phase. Today, as we celebrate this partnership of Nitta Gelatin Japan and KSIDC, I wish to acknowledge the contribution of all our stakeholders in this phenomenal journey. Thank you.
Japan, a land renowned for precision, innovation, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. A global leader in technology and transformation, Japan has always led with vision. It was this spirit of excellence that gave rise to Nitta Gelatin Incorporated. Founded in 1918 by Chojiro Nitta, a pioneer of the gelatin industry. With proprietary equipment and a commitment to safe, reliable, and environmentally responsible production, Nitta Gelatin soon built a global presence, manufacturing collagen, gelatin, and related biomaterials in world-class facilities. Nearly 5 decades ago, Japan came to Kerala, not simply with cutting-edge machines, but with a vision. And what did they create? A world-class manufacturing hub, and with it, a benchmark for responsible innovation that would set new standards for generations to come. In the heart of Kerala, where tradition and innovation flow together like its timeless rivers, a story began. A story of vision, values, and transformation. The year was 1975. What started as a collaboration between Nitta Gelatin Incorporated Japan and the Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation became a foundation for something truly remarkable. Nitta Gelatin India Limited. Together, Mr. Seiichi Nitta and Mr. K.T. Chandi, the then chairman of KSIDC, laid the foundation for what would become Nitta Gelatin India Limited, a pioneering venture that not only strengthened Indo-Japanese collaboration but also emerged as a face of industrial growth and innovation in Kerala. From humble beginnings, NGIL set out with a promise to innovate with integrity and to grow with responsibility. Over the decades, NGIL grew into a global name, touching lives silently yet profoundly. In every capsule that heals, in every dessert that delights, in every supplement that supports well-being, you'll find the quiet strength of NGIL at work. It harnessed the power of collagen to revolutionize diverse industries from pharmaceuticals and food to cosmetics, agriculture, health, biomaterials, and beyond. For 50 years, NGIL has worked behind the scenes, powering progress and supporting life. NGIL continues to evolve, guided by the uncompromising quality standards of its Japanese parent company. Over these years, NGIL has never just been about the products, it has been about the people. From the dedicated workforce and trusted partners to the farming communities and families NGIL serves, it has built a culture rooted in care, responsibility, and excellence. And now, as NGIL marks 50 years, it does not just reflect on where it has been. It renews its commitment to the road ahead. With gratitude for the journey and confidence in the future, NGIL steps forward, stronger and together. From Kerala to the world, our journey continues, led by science, driven by purpose.